exploration into the amazing benefits of a top-tier 3D printing service. At Xunjie 3D Printing, we're all about delivering top-notch quality. Let's start uncovering what makes our service stand out. Our advanced software, paired with our experienced team, is like a design detective. We identify those crucial areas where your design can be supercharged for better printability. By reducing support structures, we're not only speeding up the printing process but also slashing material waste. This means your final product will be a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics, saving you both time and resources in the long haul. When it comes to output, our 3D printing service is in a league of its own. Our state-of-the-art printers are armed with the latest tech, ensuring each layer is laid down with pinpoint precision. Our quality control measures are no joke. We use advanced measuring tools and inspection techniques to make sure the final product hits the highest standards. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore more benefits,